Hey there, YouTubers. Today we're gonna make something for you. We are gonna teach you how to make tamales in Canada. First thing you gotta do is get the fire going. Get some charcoal nice and hot. First we're gonna roast the onions, the tomatoes, and the habanero peppers. That will go in the filling that goes into the tamales. So first we cook it on there, then we get really hot. We put the pot on there for 2.5 hours, and tamales will be done. So we will show you everything how it works.
Are you giving up my recipe?
Yeah, we're giving away your recipe. Giving away Maria's tamales recipe. So we're putting on the tomatoes and onions onto the grill. Get that flavor. Get that delicious village flavor to it. So the tomatoes, the onions, and the habaneros, they are grilling here on the charcoal. And while they grill, we can go and pick some blackberries that are growing wild on our fence. Look at that. Delicious, look at that. They are so sweet. Super sweet. And they're just growing here wild. Just pick them, eat them.
You like my Trudeau shirt?
And Maria is wearing her Justin Trudeau shirt. Team Justin Trudeau. All the way, the Prime Minister of Canada. So here Maria's flipping over. Ow! Ah, I got a prickly in my finger. Flipping over the tomatoes and onions and habanero peppers. Just grilling them to perfection. That will give that sauce a beautiful homemade smoky taste. And Pancho's down here. You learning how to cook, Pancho? Hey, are you learning how to cook? Yeah? He's the official learning how to cook dog. Yeah, he loves the sun. So the veggies almost finished grilling. They smell really good. Master Chef hard at work. That's a habanero pepper.
That's what gives it the flavor.
Yep. So this is how you make tamales in Canada. Belizean style tamales, Belizean Mexican tamales in Canada.
Actually, today it's going to be more Guatemalan. Chipiling I'm going to make.
Oh, you're gonna put chipiling?
This is how you make tamales. First, you cut the aluminum paper like this, the foil, little squares. Use just a little bit of the banana leaves, because banana leaves here is very expensive. And not only expensive, but it's hard to find.
Very hard to get.
Yeah, hard because we don't grow bananas here, of course. So these ones, they come all the way from Philippines. So I only use a little square so that
It's mainly for the flavor.
we have the flavor. Yes, mainly for the flavor. So this is my masa. If you can see, the texture is very nice. All I mix is the dry corn masa, the flour with water and some salt, baking soda or powder, and also oil. That's the trick for it to be soft, nice and soft when it's done. So you make a flat tortilla like that. This is the pork belly. This is the recado. I roasted the onions, tomatoes, peppers, spiced it with salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic, and then I boil it. So you put 3 pieces of pork belly, more or less. You don't want to have it too big because it might just fall apart. So this is you fold it like this, fold it, then like this, nice and tight. This you take off. There, see, I know this will keep it in place. Nice and tight. There. Then you fold one side, and then another one, and you got it here.
Tamal is ready.
And then it's
ready to cook.
Yes. After a while, you get the trick of it, you know.
Later on, we're gonna put them in the pot, and then we gotta boil them. After that, they're ready to go. So the tamales are in the pot, and it will be boiling like this for about 2.5 hours. Every now and then you gotta put on some more charcoal onto it, so keep that fire really, really hot. We have a stone on top to seal the lid very, very good. It gotta be really tight, so it's like a pressure cooker in there. And that's full of tamales all the way to the top, and water, and they are boiling away. Be like that for a couple of hours. So the tamales have finished cooking. The fire is down. I poured water on it. It's cooled off a bit. So now I'm gonna move that big rock, and Maria will get some tamal out, and let's give it a try. Here, hold this while I grab the rock. Hey. It's still a little warm. And let's see what we got. Yeah. Still a little hot.
You have your plate?
Let me grab the plate. And we're gonna see what these tamales taste like. The ones on top, they have chipilín in them, which is Guatemalan style. Those are the last ones we made, that Maria made. And there we go. Look at that. A tamal with chipilín. Still really hot. Let's see what this is like. Oh, it's boiling hot. I had to spit it out.
Well, it just finished.
Very good. Very, very good. Look at that. And there's the Master Chef. Maria? Say bye, Master Chef. This is good stuff. That's the pork belly that's inside. Ah, it's hot. But it's good. And they're nice and spicy. I like. So Maria says if you comment and ask for a recipe, she will give it to you. Subscribe to our channel, comment, like, and share. She will give you the recipe for these delicious tamales. And that's it. Tamales are gone. We hope you enjoyed this video. These videos are made for you, the YouTube viewer. Please subscribe. We need some subscriptions. Like, comments. We love comments. And share with your friends. Help this channel grow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.